In today's video, I am going to teach you how to manage DNS settings on GoDaddy. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Once you are signed in, click your profile icon and choose My Products from the menu. This will take you to the page where all of your domains and services are listed. On the My Products page, find the domain name that you want to manage. Next to that domain, click DNS or Manage DNS. This will open the DNS management page for that specific domain. On the DNS management page, take a moment to review the records that already exist. This section shows the current DNS settings connected to your domain. It is important to check these records carefully before making any changes, so you understand what is already in place. If you want to create a new record, click Add New Record. GoDaddy will then show you a list of available DNS record types. Choose the type of record you need based on the service you are connecting. If you are adding an A record, select A from the list. In the Host field, enter the host value you want to use. Then in the Points to field, enter the destination IP address. This type of record is commonly used to point a domain or subdomain to a server. If you need to add a CNAME record instead, select CNAME as the record type. In the Host field, enter the subdomain you want to connect. In the Points to field, enter the target domain name. A CNAME record is often used when you want one domain name to point to another domain name instead of an IP address. Before saving anything, review all of the details you entered. Make sure the host, destination, and record type are all correct. Even a small mistake can cause the record to point to the wrong place. Once you have confirmed the information, click Save to add the new DNS record. After saving, check the DNS records list to make sure the new entry appears correctly. This confirms that the record has been added to your GoDaddy DNS settings. Keep in mind that DNS changes may take some time to update across the internet. In many cases, updates begin working quickly, but full propagation can take longer depending on the record and the network. If needed, return to the DNS management page later and verify that your records are still listed correctly. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.